Let's head to the ring now, where stakeholders are hailing the first staging of the Wintaz Park Fight Night as a success. And already plans are afoot to have the second staging within the next 3 weeks with at least one change. Denise Walters reports.
Key boxing associates as well as community members from Kitson Town and its environs are expressing their delight with the first staging.
But there's no doubt about it. The enthusiasm is here. The people came out in their numbers and the boxers gave a very good show. So it's a nice groundbreaking for Wintaz Park.
Small event, but nice event, and most importantly, the promoter is pleased, and it's a big look and a good look for boxing in Jamaica.
I feel great that boxing is developing back in Jamaica. I feel great. I've been competing from early 2025, and it's been great. It's been great ever since.
I thought boxing was dead, but I mean, coming here tonight make me feel alive again, because we remember Thursday night at the fight from JBTC, them days there with Keith Brown, and we look forward to that on a Thursday night. And to see it here, come right in my hometown, because that's me can see it live. Because before, I TV alone, and it's a pleasure.
And now that the first fight is out of the way, developments are taking place with the JBA to stage the next fight on August 29, with a rebrand from Friday night at the fight to Saturday night at the fight.
In the Boxing Association, we are looking for people like Mr. Archer to give the little oomph that we need to get the sport going again. And we know that he has the will to make it work, and we will be 100% behind him. And we hope that the people in the area will give the support that is necessary.
The promoter, in conversations with Jamaica Boxing Board on spot, would have come to some agreement moving forward for the next fight night. So we are looking at the last Saturday in the month, 29th of August, right here again at Wintaz Park.
We're gonna work. We're gonna work and bring on more boxing to Wintaz Park here. So we're gonna see more youngsters, more of Tetsi Davis.
For us, kids in town love this. The wider communities love it, and I'm sure on the 29th of August, people will be coming out in numbers.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.